Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from Spotify Premium. That's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how you can do it. So the problem with that is that if you subscribed on Spotify Premium using as I said using Google Play Store, basically if you're on Spotify and I go basically if I want to have a new if I on Spotify Premium, as you can see my settings and privacy, as you can see, my plan is premium, and I want to see the plans available. Um, See the plans that I want. If you have subscribed from Google Play, like the Google Pay, the good thing about Google Play is that it won't renew your subscription unless you're the one who chose to. And once the subscription has ended, you cannot. It's not going to resubscribe unless you choose to resubscribe. So basically, you can access your subscriptions from if you go on to Google Play, and then your account, and then payments and subscriptions, and you go on to subscriptions. As you can see, these are both the subscriptions that I made, Snapchat Plus and Spotify. Now, as you can see, there is no way where you can cancel it, but as you can see, it expires on December 14th, 2023. Once it expires, you're going to find it on the inactive section, and then you're going to find either resubscribe or remove. If you click on remove, it's not going to resubscribe, but if you click on resubscribe, it's going to resubscribe. But there is no way to completely cancel it if you have made the purchase on Google Play. So yeah, if you made the purchase through Spotify, you go onto Spotify, and from here you go on to your settings, privacy, and then view your plan, and you're going to find cancel over here. But since I use Google Play, I cannot cancel it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.